Hey guys, it's Brig, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cute Valentine last minute DIY. So this is a little pop out heart card. A few of you may know how to do it, but I just wanted to show it for people who didn't. So you're going to need construction paper, a pencil, scissors, and stickers. So what I'm going to do is first we're going to make the card, and it can be however big you want. I think I'm going to do it like right somewhere like there. So you can just draw the line of where you want to do it, or you can just draw a little mark. I kind of just want it like that, and I'm just going to do it across. Be careful so that you can do a straight edge, or you can use a ruler as a guide when you're cutting. And so now you're just going to fold this in half. You're going to line up the two ends. Gotta be very precise. And then crease it. And now you can cut off any excess from both sides to make it as straight as possible. There we go. So now you're going to take your construction paper of red, or just use pink as well. So now what you're going to do is you're going to draw a heart. You're going to take this, and you're going to measure how big you want your heart to be. So it's going to be from there to down there. Let's see. There. Down there. Now that's just like half a circle, so I'm going to fix that up and do it like this. Perfect. And now we just cut that out. Like that. So now you have yourself a little heart. Once you unfold it. And it goes like that. So now there are two ways of doing this. You could just put it on like this, and it would be a little bit of a pop-up card, but I like to do it this way. So I'm going to be cutting this into strips, so just about like that, and I'm going to glue them as far away from this crease as possible. Like that would be the top, and we're just going to keep going. Move it and adjust it to how we want it. So the last thing we have to do is glue this all onto the card, and I will be back once I've done that. Okay everybody, so my glue has dried, and as you can see, I honestly love how this card turned out. It's just really nice to me. And you can say Happy Valentine's Day on the front, or what I'm going to do is decorate it with some stickers. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this very snazzical craft. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!